Hi, this is EURJPY and today it's Sunday, 14th of September 2014, before the markets open for the new trading week. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video signal for Forex ID Academy members and FXholics Forex Signals apps users. I'm using Ichimoku Kenko-Hyo, Bollinger Bands, Fractals and Stochastics. We are looking at the daily time frame of the pair. As we see, volatility is back in the markets, and for most of the pairs we are looking at big profits potential, so it is very important to be positioned correctly. Let's go to the highest time frame, monthly, and look if the first condition of my 4 time frames of Ichimoku Kenko-Hyo strategy system is met. The first condition is a fresh price Tenkan-sen cross. We don't see a fresh price Tenkan-sen cross here, but we see it on the weekly. We see a very strong big body bullish candlestick crossing and closing above Tenkan-sen. Tenkan-sen is the red line of Ichimoku Kenko-Hyo, confirmed by stochastics. That means weekly time frame will be the highest of the 4 we are going to use, and our first entry condition, a strong bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, fresh bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on the highest time frame, is met. So we go to the next smaller time frame, which is daily, and there we want to see a bullish Kumo breakout validated by Chikou span. And yes, we just had it. We have a strong bullish Kumo breakout validated by Chikou span, the green line of Ichimoku Kenko-Hyo, which goes above past price action and above the Kumo. Second entry condition is met. On the third time frame, which is the next smaller H4, we expect to see 100% bullish picture. Correct. 100% bullish picture, so our third entry condition is met. Now let's go to H1. On H1 we have to wait for a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross, a bearish move, a downward move, and then we will enter from H1 once the downward move is over and a strong bullish price Tenkan-sen happens, confirmed by stochastics. This may happen soon or may take a few hours, so we don't do anything unless we see something like this here, a bearish, big body bearish candlestick crossing and closing below Tenkan-sen, then a downward move, and then an upward, and we will enter as soon as we see a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross from here. So because this fourth time frame, fourth entry condition is not met, I will insert a text message here as a reminder that I will buy after a bearish correction on H1 time frame, and I will place it here so I know it, I'm not confused, that I don't have to make the study all over again, and I will place this vertical line where the price is now that I have made the study and I know what I'm waiting for, so I will be able to compare at one glance where the price was when I made the study and where the price is now as the trade progresses, as the market progresses. Now, when the downward move happens and the bullish price Tenkan-sen cross happens, I will place my stop loss at least 100-150 pips below my entry, or depending on if I'm entering from H1 time frame, I will place it a few pips below the lower border of the Kumo. Next, I will place my take profit target uh, to a few pips below the upper Bollinger Band on the weekly time frame. A few pips below the upper Bollinger Band on the weekly time frame. That would be reasonable. Now, if I have the luxury of time, I will, once I see the bullish price tank ascent cross on H1, I will switch to M15 and I will monitor the trade from there, and I will be exiting when I see a bearish crossover of stochastics on M15, or if I want to be even more conservative, less aggressive, I can wait for a bearish price tank ascent cross on M15 in order to exit. But in any case, I'll go surfing. I will be making pips for a few M15 candlesticks, and then as stochastics cross, and as I see alternatively a bearish price tank ascent cross on M15, I'm out. Again, I use H1 as my guide to enter, but M15 will be my monitoring time frame. This is it. Thanks for watching and many happy pips.